Okay, so we're gonna get started on this porch roof. And we've got these stainless steel brackets that we bought from Amazon. We're gonna lay out this roof. It's gonna be 8 feet to the posts. So we gotta set the posts, we gotta notch the posts, put the band up, and attach to the building. So that's what we're gonna get started on. So this is the hardware that came with those standoff brackets. Everything's stainless steel, and they're 1/2-inch expanding wedge bolts. They're about, I guess, 3 inches long. They sent these bolts and the nuts and all the screws. They even sent a little screwdriver. Check that out. Awesome. All right, so we got the 2x6 mounted up here that's gonna hold the side of on the building side, and we notched off down to a 2x4 right here, and we're gonna let it hang out the same overhang, and we're gonna put these Simpson Strong Tie 4-inch legs across here, probably about 8 or 10 of them, and that should hold this thing together. Okay, we got all the posts cut to length. We cut them as short as we could, which would be 6'8" to the bottom of the notch. And we're ready to stand them up. So we're using 5-inch ledger lock on these band on this post. Okay, so laying out the rafters for this pitch roof, the shed roof. So we're doing it the old-fashioned way. We basically put that board up there and we cut that angle. We took a guess at it, cut it at 7 degrees and it was not enough. Cut it again at 9 degrees and that was just right. And we clamped it up here. We locked this thing in position with that 2x4. Set it on our overhang. We plumbed this down and it was a 9-degree angle. We're going to cut this off. So this is a 2x4, not a 2x6. And then we're going to notch it right here. And that is how we laid out our rafter. No math involved.
What is that thing you're using?
I don't know what it's called. I'm glad you caught me off guard there. A couple things to tell you about doing a metal roof. First of all your screws go right alongside the ribs. When you got an overhang, it's the wide side of the overhang goes underneath, and put your screw closest to the lap over. I lapped mine over from the most of the weather comes from this direction, so I lapped them so the wind wouldn't try to blow under them. So I've got 4 rows of screws, This is just almost 9 foot, this metal. We're going to use these 6-inch Simpson truss screws to connect the rafters to this van, so we don't have any exposed hurricane straps. Okay, so that wraps up the porch roof. Appreciate you watching. Take care and God bless.